Welcome to September's Leetcode Challenge. Today's problem is sort array by Parity 2. Given an array of integers nums, half the integers in nums are odd and the other half are even. Now sort the array so that whenever nums I is odd, I is also odd, and whenever nums I is even, I is even. I is talking about the index number. Return any answer array that satisfies this condition. So if we had an array like this, 4, 2, 5, 7, we can see 4 is in the right place because 0 is an even number, but 2 is not because this should be an odd number. 2 is even, but the index number is odd, right? So what we're going to do is swap that with this number 5 because 5 is also odd, but it's in an even index number. So if we swap those two, 5 and 2, everything else should be in place. Now you can also return in these orders, but the thing is they want us to do this in place. So we can straight up go to the in place solution. What we're going to do is have two pointers, one pointing to the first even index number, so we'll call this E, and one pointing to the first odd index number. This will be O. So what we'll do is check to see, all right, for this even index number, is this number even? And we can see it is even, right? So what we'll do then is move ahead this E pointer 2 spaces so that it's at the next even index. Now we'll check this number and see, hey, is this odd or even? And it looks like it's odd. So what that means is we're going to have to swap this with some other number that's also on an odd index number, but it's even. So here with O, we'll first check, hey, is this index number, or is this number odd? Because it should be odd, but it's not, right? So what we'll do is swap these two. And then we'll continue our algorithm. We'll say, okay, even, go to the next one. And at this point, it reaches the end, right? And at that point, we should assume that since every even number has been accounted for, all the odd numbers are also in place. So we can end our algorithm right there. All right, so let's have an ln, or call it even and odd index numbers. And this will be 0 and 1. We'll also have to have n, which is going to be the length of nums. So while e is less than n and o is less than n, we're going to have two while loops here. We'll say for the even number, while e is less than n, and let's see, we're going to check our number here, nums e. We got to make sure that this is even. So as long as it's even, we are going to continue and add 2 here. And we're going to do the same thing for odd, except we want to make sure that this is odd, right? Not even. So all we have to do is say does not equal 0. And oops. So at this point, if we are still within this array, then we want to swap the two. So we'll say nums of e and nums of odd. Let's swap them. Oops. Finally, at the end, we should make sure to increase our pointers again, just so we don't get into an infinite loop. And finally, return nums itself, because it should have been sorted in place. Okay, so let's make sure this works. 4, 5, 2, 7, that looks correct. And there we go. So time complexity wise, it's going to be O of n, and space is going to be constant because we only modify the list given to us. Now there are some variations to this, but really they're all basically this. If you didn't have to do it in place, it would still be pretty similar. We would just be appending these numbers into some sort of other output. So really this is probably the better solution anyway. All right, thanks for watching my channel. Remember, do not trust me. I know nothing.